Hello, welcome back in this tutorial series of Fusion 360 again. Today we will create such kind of component in Fusion 360 with the help of sweep command available in the Fusion 360. For that, first go to new design. Now go to create a sketch, select this plane. Here I am creating a circle of let's say 40 mm. Press enter. Now I finish the sketch. Now again go to create sketch. I will select a plane that is perpendicular to this particular profile. So here I am selecting this plane. Now I am creating a line of around 70 mm and press enter. After that finish the sketch. Okay, now here I am selecting the sweep command. As I select the sweep command, it will ask to us what is the type. Here I am selecting the single path. As I select profile this one and the path with this, now you can see it will create a cylinder with the help of sweep command. But if we want to create such kind of object with the help of sweep command, so how can we do it? So just here I am deleting again this sweep command and now come on this particular one. Okay, for that I will again go to create a sketch, select this one and create another profile like this and press. Now finish the sketch. Now I click on this particular sweep. From here I will select the type, that is single, that is path plus guide rail. Now it will ask to us what is the profile. Here I am selecting this profile. Then again it will ask to us what is the path. I will provide the path as this is straight line. Now the guide rail, I will provide this guide rail, and as you can see it will create such kind of object. Now I press OK. After pressing OK, I will provide some features, some appearance like this. From here I select this body or component and I select this copper polished and hit close. Now our object is of copper polished. Now from here I select this shell command, select this face and provide a 2 mm thickness and will create such kind of object with the help of sweep command, appearance command and shell command available in the Fusion 360. Thank you so much for watching my videos, my channel. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.